Hey guys, it's Jade. So, don't really do gaming stuff, but I love the Battlefield series. Battlefield 4, I think, was the best shooter game that ever came out. So I'm on Battlefield 6, and I jump into your training ground. This is a good place to start, and I start noticing that basically my screen's doing this, right? Stick drift, which on any other game I've played doesn't do this. So if you find you have this issue here, what you need to do is you need to go into the settings, you need to go over into controller, and then push triangle or Y if you're on an Xbox. What you're going to do from there is you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and controller tuning is where you're going to be. But you go in here, you're going to go down to right stick, and this is usually set to 8. For mine, which again, I'm not rough on my controllers, no other games have this issue. I put it at 14 and it stopped, but it was just on the edge, so just to make overconfidence, I put it on 14.5. So now you won't have a situation where you're having any sort of stick drift unintentionally. So that's how you fix it. Peace.